Hi, my name is Ken Ibene. Welcome to the business news update on the News Chronicle. Here are some top stories for today. We have Trump hits Canada with 50% steel and aluminum tariff. The United States and Canada trade war just intensified. President Donald Trump has doubled tariff on Canadian steel and aluminum from 25% to 50%. Now, this move is in response to Ontario's 25% levy on electricity exports to the United States. Now, this is raising concerns about escalating trade tensions. Secondly, we have Dangote refinery eyes more import amid the naira for crude talks. Africa's largest refinery is considering increasing crude oil import as negotiations with the Nigerian government over a naira for crude deal continue. Now, this initiative aims to strengthen the local currency and also reduce reliance on foreign exchange for oil transactions. Also, we have United States inflation slows in February. Now, the US annual inflation rate has eased down to 2.8% after the consumer price index rose to 0.2% in February. Now, core inflation, excluding food and energy, dropped to 3.1%, the lowest so far they've had since April 2021. Also, we have Intel appoints new CEO. Now, Intel has named Libutan as its new CEO following the dismissal of Patrick Gelsinger in December. Also, he takes over from interim co-CEOs David Zinsner and also Matt MJ Holthouse. Also, we have Bitcoin drop below $85,000 amid sell-off pressures. Now, Bitcoin is struggling to hold above $85,000, currently trading at $83,184. Dollar. Also, we have analysts report that short-term holders are offloading nearly 10,000 BTCs daily due to the market uncertainty. A drop below $82,761 could signal further decline. So that's it from the News Chronicle business update. Stay tuned with the News Chronicle. Like, comment, and share this video. You can also visit our website on www.thenews-chronicle.com for more business news. Thank you and see you next time.